To give a new user access to CoStar Brokerage Applications, you'll need to assign a login. Hover over the Admin tab, and next to Logins, click the green plus sign. Then click the search icon or magnifying glass and type in the name to search for that contact's record. Then click Search. If the contact's name does not appear in your search results, you'll need to add a contact record. Refer to the Help section in the top right corner of your screen for training videos. In there you'll find a video on how to enter an internal contact. If the record does appear on your list, click Select. Then assign a login name and password. Type again to verify the password. If this is a local user, if this is an employee, you'll need to assign local user access. Clients can also be given client user access. And then assign a time zone. And click Submit. Once you've created the login, click Refine Search and type in the name to search for that login. Click Go, and when the name comes up in your search results, hover over the blue arrow to the left. Here you'll see the various settings that need to be assigned to this login. In this video, we'll assign the user group settings. User groups are assigned based on your company workflow. The settings chosen here determine what data the user has access to view or edit in the system. Contact CoStar Brokerage Applications if you'd like additional consulting in assigning user groups for your company's users. For this example, we'll set the user groups for a broker. When you hover over the checkbox for a user group setting, a pop-up quick tip appears giving you a description of what that setting applies. For a broker, the internal checkbox should be selected, as well as for all company employees. For this broker, we'll set Assignment New and User, Buyer New and User, Comps Update Selected. They would only be able to update the comps that they have access to. Contact New and Update Selected. Again, they would only be able to update the contact records that they already have permissions to access. Under CTS, or Commission Tracking System, a broker should have access to the VCalc matrix and New if they are going to be closing their own deals. Be aware that the CTS user setting does potentially give a broker access to commission information about other brokers on reports if they worked on deals together. Therefore, the CTS user setting should only be assigned to brokers who manage other brokers or support other brokers and need access to their commission details on reports. Under Export, a broker should be allowed to have access to export all records, which would, again, only give them access to the records that they already have permissions to, but they can export them. Under Listing, New, Update Selected, Need, New and User, Offers, New and User, Project, New and User, Property New, Sustainability, and Update Selected, Prospect User and New, Sign New, Stacking User, and then click Finish. Once you've assigned the user group to an internal employee, you'll also need to assign additional settings. Hover over the blue arrow to the left of the login and you'll see locations, business lines, and divisions. All of these settings need to be applied for an internal user. For a video on how to create an internal contact record and assign those settings, go to the Help section and find the training videos. There you'll find the video on how to create an internal contact.